What's up, tennis fans? Today we're talking about a bold prediction in the tennis world. Ben Shelton being back to replace Novak Djokovic as the third man alongside Carlos Alcaraz and Jannik. Let's get into it. So here's the deal. Over the past 2 years, men's tennis has been all about Alcaraz and Sinner. These two have split the last 8 Grand Slams between them for each. They've also racked up 21 titles combined, with Sinner holding the No.1 ranking for 65 straight weeks before Alcaraz just snatched it back after the US Open. Djokovic, of course, is still hanging in there. He reached the semis of all 4 slams this year, proving he's still the biggest threat outside of those two. But let's be real, at 38, he's in the twilight of his career. Everyone knows a new name has to step up. And according to former world number .17 Nicholas, of that name is Ben Shelton. Yep, the big serving American could be the guy to replace Djokovic as the next major challenger to the Alcaraz-Sinner rivalry. SQ'd told Eurosport that Shelton has already surprised him with how quickly he's developed, even on clay, which isn't exactly the easiest surface for power players. He even admitted that at this year's US Open, Shelton was his dark horse pick to reach the semis and maybe even test Alcaraz or Sinner. Unfortunately, Shelton had to retire with a shoulder injury in the 3rd round, cutting that run short. But here's the exciting part. Shelton is only 21, he's fearless, explosive, and he's already shown he can go deep at big tournaments. With Djokovic slowly fading out of the picture, could Shelton really step in and become that third man to challenge the new big two? What do you guys think? Is Ben Shelton the real deal, or is it too early to put him in that conversation? Drop your takes in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more tennis news and debates. Until next time, game, set, match.